In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the driver's side outside door handle on this GMC Sierra. It's going to be located on the driver's side door. Let's get into it. With the door open, you can see a little button cap right here. I'm just going to use a pocket screwdriver or a trim tool, get underneath. Just be careful of the paint. You don't want to scratch the paint. Take that cap off. Now there's a screw in there. We're going to use a T20 socket. We're going to loosen it up. You want it so it's almost all the way out. Just grab the cap on the outside. Just rock it back and forth. It's just stuck on the gasket. Pull that out. Then we're just going to grab the handle, pull it out, and then pull it outwards, and it comes off. It's a little latch in there. And the gasket just fell off when we took it off, so we're just going to put that back on. If you need to, you can replace it if it's deteriorated. And take the new handle and slide it in the back here. But before we attach it to the front, we have to pull that lever out because these little pins have to slide into the lever. Just going to take a thin piece of rope that's been tied into a loop. I'll just take a screwdriver. All right, there we go. And then we're going to go around the center of that bracket right there. And you can try to pull with the rope if you have pretty strong rope. But what I'm going to do is take the straight blade screwdriver and just pull the bracket forward, just like that, and then just hold the rope there. And then the handle, just slide the handle forward a little bit. You want to get it into that bracket, like that. Then let go of the rope. It's in the bracket properly. Now we're just going to cut the rope. And take a pair of scissors and just cut the rope. And just pull the rope out and take the new cover and just pull the handle out slightly. Get the handle lined up, the cover lined up. Push that back down. Now just tighten the screw down. Just snug it down, not too tight. Take the button cap, line that up, pop it back in, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.